I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you know if your visuals are explaining the script or just decorating it? Here's the operator rule. If you can swap the visual with random stock footage and the meaning of the section does not change, it's decoration. Good visuals should carry information, not just motion. So use this quick 3-part check. First, give every visual a job. It should do at least one of these 4 things. Show the process, show the difference, show the proof, or show the consequence. If the shot is only there because the screen felt empty, that's your answer. Second, run the swap test. Take a section of your edit and ask, if I replace this clip with another clip from the same niche, would the viewer understand anything less? If not, the visual is probably generic filler. Third, run the mute test on your key moments. Mute the video during the parts where you explain a step, a comparison, or a result. Can the viewer still tell what changed, what matters, and why? If they can't, the visuals are lagging behind the script. My rule of thumb is simple. Visuals should either reduce confusion or increase belief. If they do neither, cut them. And if you're building this into a repeatable faceless workflow, Satura is useful because you can map each script beat to a visual role before editing. That's how you tell whether your visuals are doing real explanatory work or just making the timeline look busy.